Vendors are counting their losses following another fire at the Ray Ray Market on West Queen Street in downtown Kingston this morning.
More than 100 stores were destroyed by the fire, which started after 4 o'clock. TVJ's VASHAN has more.
A raging fire at the Ray Ray Market in downtown Kingston. Stalls, clothes and just about any other item you can think of going up in flames. Vendors and residents watched as the firefighters worked. It all started about minutes after 4 Tuesday morning. Some of the vendors say it's heartbreaking because they're still picking up the pieces after fire destroyed a section of the market last November. And now it's almost time for back to school.
It hurt my heart. You understand me? It hurt my heart because I have a little 5-year-old, you know. Me and mother and father fearing a one. You understand? So I know the setback feel year after year after year. You understand me? And it hurt for week.
Another vendor, INGRID, says she's tired of the holiday fires at the market.
I lost like hair, wigs, like clothing, shoes, handbag, costume accessories, all of those things I tell.
I'm fed up and tired right now. Yeah. Burnout 4 years now. 4 times a burnout now. 4 times.
Head of the Kingston and St. Andrew division of the Jamaica Fire Brigade, Andrew Russell, says the cause of the fire is not yet known.
We initially responded with 3 fire units at 4:59. We were later supported with additional units from Spanish Town and Portmore.
The market falls in the TIVOLI Gardens division of the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation, KCMC. Councillor DONOVAN says there are issues to be fixed.
Our vendors really don't have insurance, and the facilities under which they operate is kind of conducive to this kind of fire. Everything on this location has been burned. And we need to look at a way to organize the stores in such a way that if one section is burned, at least it doesn't affect the next section.
The municipal corporation says it will hold an urgent meeting to identify where the displaced vendors will be relocated in the interim. The corporation says it is not able to say whether the vendors will get assistance. Chief Executive Officer at the KCMC, Robert Hill, has responded to concerns that the corporation is not doing enough to prevent market fires.
I will have to disagree with the notion there is what we depend on is the goodwill of our citizens to act in a safe and responsible manner. We also have to be cognizant of our limited budget to respond to these issues, and we rely heavily on the fire brigade and security forces.
VASHAN, TVJ News.